In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a status update in Asana Goals. Whether you're tracking progress or sharing updates with your team, posting a status update is an essential skill in keeping everyone informed and on the same page. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can do it with confidence and ease. First, you'll need to navigate to your goal within Asana. If you're unfamiliar, Asana is a fantastic project management tool that helps organize tasks and objectives for individuals and teams alike. Once you have Asana open, locate the specific goal you wish to update. This could be a project milestone, a quarterly target, or any objective you've set up in your workspace. Now that you've accessed your goal, it's time to initiate a status update. Look for the option labeled Set Status or Update Status. This gateway will allow you to communicate the current state of your goal. Clicking this button will open a new interface where you can craft your status update. At this point, you'll have a few different fields to fill in, all designed to capture the essence of your update. Begin with the status name, which should be a concise label that describes the current stage or condition of the goal. Words like on track, at risk, or completed are commonly used. Following that, you'll have the opportunity to include details that could provide the background or a deeper explanation. In this section, outline any relevant accomplishments, challenges, or next steps. It's also crucial to summarize your points clearly, as this summary provides a snapshot for anyone quickly glancing over multiple goals. Once you've input all the necessary information and feel that your update adequately reflects the goal's status, it's time to finalize the process. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the Asana interface, where you'll find a Post button. Clicking this will publish your status update, making it visible to anyone with access to the goal. This ensures that your team is informed about progress, potential roadblocks, or any changes that may affect the timeline or direction of the project. And there you have it. Posting a status update in Asana Goals is as simple as that. By following these steps, you'll be contributing to transparent and effective communication within your team, fostering an environment where everyone stays informed and aligned. Remember, regular updates can be a game changer for collective productivity and accountability, so take advantage of this feature to keep your projects on track. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy updating!